okay, say an entry here, which would mean that this candle will close above the 9 EMA, open up higher than the preceding candle. You take the trade here, you get out of the trade here at the 200 EMA, you then, let me move this over, you then wait for a confirmation above the 200 EMA, which would be the next candle opening higher than the preceding candle. So if it managed to do that, say in this area, you then take a second trade. So this winds up being a 6.5% trade by splitting it up and playing it safe and getting out of the trade at the 200. And if you do it that way, you're really only going to lose. You're only going to lose 1%, but you are, you're playing it safe if you do this. So for me, to lose 1% is worth it to protect this profit and to have a chance to make another 4%. That's how I would see it. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to do that, but that's just kind of my thoughts behind how I would handle that trade. Actually, BC, it's still running. All right, well, it's still running. That means you really, you don't want to get into a coin that already started running, one that already ran. So, I mean, I'll look at it, but I don't see what, I'm not going to tell you to get into it. So if that's what you're looking for, that's not going to happen in a coin that, in my opinion, it already take off. But, if you want to take a trade, if you want to buy the top here, yeah, definitely. This is a good place to buy if you want to buy the top. You can see here, it already ran. It's not really running at the moment. It's actually coming down. But if you're excited about this coin and you want to see what it'll do, buy it. Put a stop loss here, and then this will help you kind of understand why I don't like buying coins that have these kind of moves. But that's not to say that this isn't going to continue to go up. Personally, I just wouldn't buy this. But look, you might get a move to here, but you also might get a move back down here. So it's really up to you. But I don't look at coins like I said that have already broken out like this. It's not something that I'm really interested in acquiring at the moment. Let's see here. All right. ADA just broke out of the 30 and 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. I think I have ADA here, if I'm not mistaken, or was it the chart that I just got out of? Yeah, I think it was this chart that I got out of. Let's see. Let's take a look at it live right now. Let me pull up the indicators. All right, guys, that was the last question on the chat box. So, okay. So looking at ADA, yes, it did break the 9 and the 30, but look, there's still 12 minutes. Because it broke, it doesn't necessarily mean it's ready for you to take on that trade, because it could easily do one of these numbers. It can easily, at the 11th hour, come back down and just wick out. So what I would recommend you do is wait 12 minutes, see where this candle closes and the next one opens. Look at the volume, it's nice and strong. The MACD has a nice bullish crossover going on right now, which is great. RSI is looking really strong. Look at this formation. This is a really nice formation. You can see this flag pattern. You can see the tilt of the pole, the slant of the flag, and a perfect textbook breakout. But it's actually hitting